Great and amazing people, you are welcome again to my channel. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I really appreciate you all. In today's video, I will be unboxing something that I got from Amazon. It's already opened, but we're going to unbox it together. I have my daughter here, Lady P.
Hi everyone.
She will be helping me to set it up. She will do most of the talking. Relax, enjoy and watch. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, consider subscribing. Thank you so much once again. God bless. I have the Amazon box here. This is it. This is it, guys. You can see we look like sisters. Can you see this, guys? Okay. Okay, so I'm giving it to my daughter. So over to you, Lady P. Tell us what we have.
We have a tripod stand, so you just need to figure out how it works. Maybe the instructions in that is in this one.
Okay.
So this is the leg of the tripod. So this is the leg of the tripod stand, and we need to connect the ring light. So my mom's just opening the ring light part.
Good. Two good heads are better than one.
So it comes with a thank you card and the user manual. Need to figure out where this goes, so where this connects to. Okay, so there's a cap at the top of the tripod stand, and that's where the ring light is going to be. So we're just going to try and twist the ring light onto it until it's steady. Almost there. It's getting a bit tighter, so that makes them perfect. And you can just tighten it over here. So now the stand is set. Let's see what the next part is. This is where the phone will sit. I'll sit on this. So there's this little bolt thing, and if you just twist it here, it should stand. This also will be able to connect here as well. We just need to figure out how to bend this so the phone can stand. So yeah, we've got the tripod stand, we've got the ring light. This is where the phone is going to stand. As you can see, there's a little screw here and then there's a bolt there. So we're just going to twist it into the bolt, and this is where the phone will sit. And then you can twist this into any shape that you want to make it work for you. So we just take a random phone just to try it out. So that's how the phone will sit in the thing. Then we've got the cable, which will connect to the electricity, and you can change the light from there. I just need to untwist this one. Okay. So with this ring light, it doesn't come with a charging head, so you would have to connect it to a laptop to get light, or find a charging head to go with it. So I'm just going to grab a laptop that we can connect to. So it's now being connected to a laptop. Thank you, Mummy.
Thank you.
And here is the button, and you would control it this way. So if you just click it, it will power on, and then if you click it again, it will power off. And then in order to make it, to change the color, we'll just keep pressing the plus sign and it will change to different settings. So I think that's pretty much it. There's also a button in the middle which changes the light for you. So it will just randomly select one for you. Yeah, it also comes with a remote. You would have to set it up via Bluetooth. With the remote, once you put the battery inside and you connect it to the Bluetooth on your phone, if you click it, it can take the picture for you by itself. So that's what this little remote is for. It helps you take the picture yourself. So if you just click it, it will record for you. There's also a mini tripod stand. So if you don't want to use this big tripod, if let's say you've got, you know, a table that you want to put this on, you can do that. And you would just connect this thing to it. You screw it and then you record your video.
Thank you so much, guys, for unboxing with me today this portable ring light that I got from Amazon with me and my daughter. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.